Gotta be coming soon. Here it comes.
Oh.
So apparently that was the world's loudest sneeze. Hey guys, and welcome back to Viral Trends. If you read the title of this video, you probably realized that it's gonna be a really weird video with very weird clips. I mean, girl sneezes 12,000 times in a day?
How is that even possible?
She cannot work like one of those people that answer the phone.
Oh yeah,
like,
yeah, it's like, hello, welcome. How can I help you?
I wonder if you ever get used to it. Be like...
If you sneeze 12,000 times a day, I don't think you can ever get used to it. She must be so tired. If I sneeze like 5 times in a row, I get so exhausted because you put out so much energy in every sneeze and you just don't know what to do with yourself.
Yeah, Andreas, when he sneezes, it's just like... It sounds like somebody having a seizure or something. It's just like... La!
I got a lot of power in my sneeze. I don't know what to say.
The walls are shaking.
So yeah, today hopefully we're gonna find out how it's possible to sneeze 12,000 times a day. That is about 40 sneezes an hour. Before the video starts, if you guys want to win a shout out, just like this guy did, all you gotta do is subscribe to the channel, like the video, and obviously leave a comment, or we're not gonna have anything to shout out, so make sure to leave a comment down there, and you might win a shout out.
So, let's watch the video! Was that 10?
I don't know, I didn't count. Was it like, shit, 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 shit? What was she saying? Was that just her sneeze sound, or was she saying shit every time?
I didn't hear it.
Shit, shit.
That went like, fast though. It was just like...
Kind of sounded like she was beatboxing. That's why it's much better to just do one really loud sneeze instead of just sneezing like that so many times, because then you don't get all the energy out that you need to sneeze out.
Yeah, but if we take you as example, you always sneeze at least 2 times.
Yeah, but I do like 150 sneezes in 2 sneezes.
What is he waiting for?
Oh, he's trying to sneeze.
Is he sniffing some pepper or something?
No, I think I've seen people just putting paper up their nose and it's supposed to make you sneeze. He wants to sneeze so bad. He's trying so hard to sneeze.
It take you forever, dude.
Yeah, come on, man. It's gotta be coming soon. Here it comes.
Oh.
Okay, that was pretty good. So apparently that was the world's loudest sneeze.
What?
It was title of the video, but I gotta say I'm pretty unimpressed. I've heard better.
I know that the highest sneeze ever, that's you.
That's me.
We should try to make you sneeze.
Bring me some peppers.
We got some pepper, white pepper. They're supposed to be good. I don't know if it's gonna work. It smells pretty bad.
I think you need to do like this. Go on, sorry.
I don't want to snort it. Come on. It's like waiting for water to boil. Why do I only sneeze when I don't want to sneeze? Wait, maybe. Oh no, it's just burning. My nostrils burning up.
You have some pepper on your nose.
Oh yeah? Oh, that's why. Oh, that's why it's burning.
Okay.
Wait. Maybe.
Okay.
Wait. Maybe. I got one.
You usually do 2.
Yeah, but this is artificial sneezing. It's not... Wait. Oh, this was so fun.
It worked! Yes!
Yeah. So if you guys ever want to sneeze, just snort some white pepper. Especially snort it straight up into your nose. Great. Now I can't stop. At least I didn't need the paper.
Okay, let's move on.
Okay, one more. No, there is no. You can't sound like that when you sneeze.
That was like a mouse getting squished
Getting
in the
hit
door.
by a car.
Yeah.
Or like a squeaking door. A mouse getting squeaked by a squeaky door. That's what it sounded like. Double squeak.
12-year-old Katelyn Thornley started sneezing a month ago, and she hasn't been able to stop. Just listen to her.
Oh Christ,
The
what's going
schoolgirl who
on?
lives outside Houston.
That sounds so weird. It sounds like she's trying to start a real old car that doesn't want to start.
Because you breathe everything out, she needs to breathe in so fast so it kind of like... It sounds like that.
Maybe she's just trying to hold the sneezes in.
Sneezes 12,000 times a day.
12,000 times a
Sometimes
day.
the 7th grader can't complete a sentence.
Some kid ends up making fun of me or something like that, and it just gets...
Oh, I'm fine. Never mind. This video isn't good for me. She can't finish a sentence, I can't finish a video without sneezing.
It would be pretty odd to have her in the classroom.
The only time the sneezing seems to slow down is when Katelyn listens to music.
Oh, yeah?
Specifically, the Beatles.
That's so weird.
Even in my dreams, I sneeze.
Even in my dreams I sleep. Also, you must really love sleeping. It's like sleepception. You sleep, you dream, you sleep in your dream, you dream in your sleep dream, and then you dream in your sleep dream is sleep dream.
Doctors have ruled out allergies or a virus. Until they figure it out, Katelyn can't go to school. We've seen this phenomenon before. Remember this teenager who couldn't stop sneezing?
She's gonna get a
Even at her
whiplash.
prom, some kids laughed at her.
What is happening with her neck?
This teenager also suffered from serial sneezing. Turns out she had a rare tic similar to obsessive-compulsive behavior.
That's
That was
crazy.
not a sneeze though. She was like...
I don't know, what is the definition of a sneeze?
I mean, that was not a sneeze, I would say. She was like... She did it through her mouth.
It sounds like that, at least. This must be terrible. I mean, I've sneezed maybe 10 times this video, and I'm kind of tired of it. Only got 11,990 to go.
I don't care what they do. I just want it to stop. It's been going on for way too...
Keep sneezing. I mean, it's terrible to laugh at it. It sounds so funny, but it must be actually horrible sneezing that much.
Interrupt everything.
She did say that she sneezes in her sleep. No, in her dreams? She sneezes in her dreams. That is insane.
When she's sleeping. I wonder how it is to sneeze when you eat. Because I have done that like a couple of times and
Yeah.
that's not to recommend.
All the food just flies out of your mouth. Don't you hate that? When you take a bite of food, you start chewing it and you feel like you need to sneeze, and you just know when you sneeze everything is just gonna fly all over the room, but you still can't stop it, so it just happens.
Grab a napkin and just prepare.
Yeah, I hate that.
Ow! Oh, that hurt. Ow!
What is that?
She's angry.
She's in pain.
No!
Is this for reals? Can you really sneeze like that?
With your mouth open and like angry eyes.
Yeah, she has basically no like air going out of her nose. It's just a screaming sound from her mouth. Let's see some more.
Ooh.
Christ. This is so weird. I don't know what's more weird. Making a video about you sneezing or us watching someone making a video of them sneezing.
I wonder what we will do next.
Yeah, on Viral Trends. If you guys had any questions about sneezing, I hope this video answered your questions and that you're gonna be more educated sneezers after this.
And what to do if you want to sneeze? We
Yeah,
saw
just
Andreas.
snort white pepper. It's perfect.
It burns in the beginning, obviously, and then...
And then you sneeze.
Yep.
So good. Viral trends approved. Please let us know in the comments if you guys have a weird way to sneeze, or have you heard anybody in your family, do they sneeze in a weird way? Do they sneeze loud, low, or just really weird? Who's the loudest sneezer in your family? Shall we make you sneeze, Agnes?
Oh.
We haven't heard Agnes sneeze yet. Why am
I don't sneeze.
Why am I the only one that's gonna sneeze
you,
this video?
Because you do it in a funny way. I just do it. No.
I wanna hear you sneeze. It's probably really cute.
No, it's not cute.
Show me a sneeze, woman.
No, like
Yes.
I don't sneeze of this.
Yes, you will.
I cannot believe you make me do this.
You made me do it. It's just fair.
No, it's not fair.
Yes, it is.
I can stand here all day.
No, you can't. You gotta shake it. Snort it.
This is not working. Sorry.
Well, that obviously didn't work. Agnes is a tough person to make sneeze, so we'll just have to give up.
But when I sneeze, you will hear it.
Yeah. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and you're also gonna have a chance of winning a shout out in the next video, so make sure to do that. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we will hopefully see you in the next video.
Bye!